Om, the cross, symbol for Allah, and a symbol for Guru Nanak Ji, all united and standing there in harmony. It is really my great honor, and it is our Guru Pandit Habib Khan who can actually do this for his students. He can bring his students in the spotlight and have them share the same stage with him. The CD is the same effort. We have actually Pandit Swapan Chaudhary, Pandit Ramesh Mishra, and Shahabuddin Khan Sahab accompanying on various instruments, tabla, sarangi, and keyboard in this CD. And it's a great honor for us. So I hope you will support us, encourage us when you buy this CD, and let us know your feedback. Thank you.
Indeed, like she has said, I echo her sentiments. It is indeed an honor to be with Pandit Habib Khan Sahab, our Guru, and for all of us here, you know. And also, he is a world-class sitarist. He's a great composer and a great musician. In tonight's program, titled Breaking the Boundaries, as the name suggests, he has brought together a whole set of world-class musicians again on a single platform. And through their different instruments, you will echo his compositions. You will hear his compositions through their sounds of music. And I'm sure all of you will enjoy the kind of presentation you will see during the first half. And when all of these music come together, the musicians come together and they perform music, every barrier is broken. Everything is broken, and all we see and hear is oneness amongst all of us. The musicians for tonight's performance are Pandit Habib Khan on sitar, Matthew Montford on scalloped fretboard guitar, Mohammed Nejad on violin, santoor, and ney. Ney is a Persian instrument. We have Peter Block on saxophone and flute. We have a whole rich array of percussion. And these percussionists, this is a very, very different and very different kind of percussion. We have Lal Singh Bhatti and his son Balwinder Bhatti on dhol. Dhol is a Punjabi instrument, usually accompanied for Bhangra, and you will see their colorful costumes. We also have John Waller on western drums. We have Abhinay Padhe and Satish Tare on tabla. And you will see all of these instruments and everything come together in this set of compositions. And all of the compositions that you're going to hear during the first half of the program are available on CDs. CDs that are titled Longing, Journey on the Strings, Jewel of the Heart, and we also have a couple of classical music-based CDs, Evening Light and Tranquility. So please, as you buy Ekta, come and look at all of these CDs. Once you hear the music, you would just want to go and buy those CDs. It's absolutely beautiful music. It's just a sample of what you're going to hear here, but the whole thing is on all of those CDs. I would like to accord a special thank to the city of San Jose. The city of San Jose has recognized Pandit Habib Khan as one of the great artists residing in the city of San Jose and bringing all diversity in music and people together. And they have been very generous in supporting us through the program and project grant. We have received that grant for this year. And also Arts Council of Silicon Valley that have supported us through the Community Arts Fund grant, once again exemplifying the wonderful work that Panditji has been doing for all of this community. I would like to thank Rodney Lindquist, who has come here for a special videography. We really thank you so much for doing this for us. And definitely all of the students of Pandit Habib Khan Gurukul, a lot of people have put in a lot of effort for this. From you see the stage decorations to stage layout, behind the curtains, taking care of the musicians, bringing the musicians. There is a whole lot of work, and all of the students, many of the students have come forward and helped a whole lot. A very, very, very deep gratitude to each and every one of them. And last but not least, the audience. What would we do without you? You are our show. We cannot perform without you sitting there and encouraging us. And to all of you, a deep gratitude and a thank you. So please sit back, enjoy, relax, and enjoy the program that's coming up. Turn off your pages and cell phones. And I'll come back again during the intermission. Thank you so much.
See my audience, beautiful faces. So if you give me inspiration, so I can play some more.
सजनी सजनी तेरी याद